Okay, quiet on set. Camera rolling. Action. Hello guys, it's White here, and today we are going to compare these two smartphones, iPhone 7 and iPhone 12 mini. Like you see, there's something wrong with box sizes here. This iPhone 7 it's much bigger than iPhone 12 mini. Why is it? We are going to search inside the boxes and find out the truth. So our old one, iPhone 7, as a standard, just to remind you, thing to open the SIM card slot, a bit of paperwork, and my earphones. I was using them every day, guys. Seriously? Cool. So that's from iPhone 7. Let's focus on our new iPhone 12 mini. So we've got a phone, we've got stickers, and we've got a wire, and we've got nothing else. I'm not happy with this, guys, really not happy at all. There is earphones missing, first of all, power adapter missing, and I've got Type-C wire to charge my phone, and I don't have adapter to actually charge it. So I don't know how they expect to. I don't even have the ending of Type-C with me. How should I charge this phone, for God's sake?
Like in my Samsung, I have just a block for this kind of wire.
Doesn't have anything. Obviously they put information here on the back that it's not included, right? But it's not right, and that's how Apple making money. My first impression about both this both phones like this one, they cannot be impression anymore.
No.
Right guys, so okay, action. My first impression about this phone, it's more stable in my hand because of the edges. They kind of come back to old models, which is very nice. Well, I like it so far. I cannot say anything more. I need to use it a bit. Let's go to my favorite part, which is quality of cameras in both of these smartphones. Let's go with a slow-mo, full HD, 240 FPS. Wow. Okay, so iPhone 7 is the winner in this test. Why is this? Well, it's an old phone, and compared to iPhone 12 mini, it did a really good job. So, as you saw, on 240 FPS, quality is pretty much similar. Both phones are blinking in high frame rate. So guys, let's give this old man a point. And we can move to another test. Let's go. iPhone 7 selfie camera hand stabilization test, sound test, one stabilization test. Sound test now. So we are in a city center. Sound test. Some audience. Bam, bam, bam. Some women. They are going to be famous now. Selfie camera, iPhone 12 mini. Hand stabilization test 4K, 30 FPS. Okay, what we saw was test of image stabilization and sound quality, and you probably noticed already that iPhone 12 mini did great job in that case. Unfortunately, iPhone 7 gave up on selfie camera. You saw this shaky image, it was so terrible. In that case, you need to use a gimbal. That's the very simple gimbal, DJI Osmo 2. I think in that case we can give 2 points to iPhone 12 mini because we have improvement of image stabilization and sound quality. Well done. That's the winner of this test. 2 points for iPhone 12 mini. Bam. And we can go for another test. Let's go. Okay guys, as you saw on the last footage, weather was perfect for this test, and yeah, welcome in Scotland. So iPhone 7 in that case did better job, more detail on the footage, better colors. I'm more happy with iPhone 7 in that case. iPhone 12 mini ultra wide lens, very terrible quality. As you saw on the scarf of the lady, in iPhone 7 footage it's much more colors and much more detail. So 1 point is going to iPhone 7. Well done you. And now we have a draw. Let's go for sum up. 5 days of using iPhone 12 mini. I'm pretty happy of design of this phone. 2 lenses, one ultra wide and the second one is wide. Selfie camera, 4K 60 FPS, really good quality. Image stabilization really improved. I'm very happy of this phone. Also shape and design, it's really handy. No lags, battery life is okay, just 1 day, but it's just standard. Face ID, it's actually really good. So it's working pretty well and I have no issue with this. Yeah, I'm looking forward to use this phone a bit more and maybe do another competition for these phones in better conditions outside, like, you know, sunny weather for a change. Don't judge iPhone 12 mini too early. Let's give another shot in the next few weeks. What should I say on the end? Should I ask for a like, subscribe and something like this? I think that's what you're saying on the end, isn't it?
Oh yes. No video on YouTube exists without it.
Oh, okay. That's what YouTubers do, right? Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you think this movie deserved for a like, leave a like. Nah, it didn't. Nah, just leave it. Nah, don't comment. Just See you later.